What's going on? Today we have a little bit of a different video for the channel. We are doing a raw POV drive of my Hennessey Exorcist, 1,000 crank horsepower. It has their headers, which you guys will hear, and then a full Corsa Extreme exhaust, not valved. So this is pretty much about as loud as you can make a ZL1, as well as ported cylinder heads, upgraded Hennessey cam, and a bunch of other stuff to the head of the motor. But without further ado, let's hop right in here and we'll fire her up. Obviously, it's a manual. You have to have a manual with a ZL1 1LE, in my personal opinion. I feel like it makes the driving experience literally unmatched to any other muscle car. But so yeah, never a dull moment with startup with this thing. But let's get on the road. We have paddles right here for rev match, so don't get confused that a manual car does have paddles. It's a Chevy thing. attention for you. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed that POV video. We were able to find some crazy roads, probably some of the best roads that are meant for this car, just wide open sweepers. But yeah, let me know what other cars you'd like to see me do POV driving in, and I'll try and get you guys some more immersive content.